the turkey find the way out. Draw a line to connect all the numbers that are less than 57.
Less than 57.
Open. Get out.
You rock!
Good job. Okay.
All insects have 6 legs.
Oof.
In each row,
Can I read you
circle
this?
all of the insects.
Okay,
All
listen.
insects have 6 legs. In each row, circle all of the insects.
All right, where are these insects?
But can I read you all the insects? Can I read you them?
You can read.
Snail, ladybug, grasshopper, ant, beetle, spider, dragonfly, scorpion, mosquito, butterfly, crab, bee.
Okay, so which one of these are insects?
This one is an insect.
Okay,
This
Yes.
one, easy.
yes.
I would say all of them are insects. I'm gonna search it up if snails are if snails are insects. That's why.
Remember, insects have 6
Nice
legs,
going.
so you want to
Keep it
count to
up.
see if they have 6 legs. All right.
Okay, I'm just gonna delete all of those because I was doing.
Let's listen to it one more
All
time.
insects have 6 legs. In each row,
6.
circle all of the insects.
This is a row. How many legs
Tap
does
the
this
green
person have?
check button
1,
once you're
2,
done.
3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
So is that an insect? Do you want to circle it?
I'm gonna make an X.
Let's start again, okay?
Okay.
All insects have 6 legs.
They all have
In
6
each
legs in each row.
Circle all of the insects.
So in this row, which one has 6
Tap
legs?
the green check button once you're done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Sorry, you have no eggs. You have no.
So what do we have
legs.
to do with the insects?
I don't
We're
know.
going to circle them.
But these have no. They don't have 6 legs.
Which ones have 6 legs?
Beetle doesn't. Oh, I know. 8. This spiders do. Oh, they have 6 eggs.
Sadie.
Yes.
Okay. This guy has 6 legs, right? This guy has 6 legs, right? So they're both insects, okay? So let's try that again.
All insects have 6 legs. In each row, circle all of the insects.
Okay, so let's go on
Tap
this
the
row.
green
I
check
thought
button
it
once
said
you're done.
8.
Says circle all the insects. So let's go ahead and circle that. Let's go ahead and circle the ones that have 6.
That ladybugs do, so give me a pat on the
Who else
back.
has 6? Here's your pat. Who else has 6 legs? You can count if you need to.
Yes, but
Let's count how many legs he has.
he has 3. I know he has 6 because 3 and 3 makes 6.
All right. Well, then we'll have to circle him too. Who else has 6 legs?
You've made a lot of progress.
Okay, good job.
Scorpion
All
does.
right, good job.
You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job.
I'm missing. I'm gonna.
Did you count how many legs he has?
1, 2, 3, 4. No, he has 4. I'm. Wait. That's a leg.
These are legs too.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So an ant is an insect, huh?
Okay.
What
But
else?
I'm missing.
Go ahead. And who else? What about this bottom row? Who here has 6 legs? Who's an
I know,
insect?
this is. But
Okay, what else?
I'm scared because there's a mosquito. And he can sting me from here.
Is the crab an insect?
He has too many legs.
Is a bee an insect?
Yes.
Well done.
Good job, honey.
Play with me in the Kids Academy app and learn about math, reading, writing, and more. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description. Let's have fun!